Hey folks, MACT Garage, and I did my first car repair since April 16th when I had my surgeries and everything. So anyway, had to replace this because I was getting a code. PCV assembly has electronic sensor on it. So went ahead and I put the new one on. New one comes with blue tabs. Yep, see the blue on there. Anyway, you just pull those little tabs back to release it, and then they just come off, and then you unsnap that by pushing that little pin, undoing these little hose things here that it just snap on. It takes you longer than 3 to 5 minutes. I don't know what to tell you. You're playing with mommy or something. I don't know. But either way, it didn't take long, so I'm going to go ahead and start it and see if we have a check engine light on. It probably will be a check engine light on, just for the sole fact that I haven't cleared the code or anything. But looks like I got a couple meese. That's right, got some meese. So we're gonna have to take this thing out and get her cleaned up, hosed out. Oh, let's go ahead and get her started. See if I got any check engine lights. Yeah, I do. Turn the AC down. Hood ajar. Okay. We'll have to reset this check engine light. Or if it runs long enough, it'll take and reset itself. So I'll take it for a quick drive. We'll see what that does. As with all things, I got into the programs and everything else and found out I can't get ForeScan Lite off of Google Play. It's gone. So I downloaded Torque Pro and I got the code cleared, and it was reflecting in Torque Pro that it was a historic code. So I'd actually fixed it when I replaced that part. And the light is not on anymore. Time will tell, but I'm pretty sure it's gone because it was documenting it as a historic fault code, so it wasn't active anymore. So the new part fixed it. So that's pretty much, it's a simple job, and hope you guys learn a little bit about the video, but it's not that hard to replace. 3 to 5 minutes. If you're not done then you're just wasting time. Anyway, we got it up and running again, so on to fluid changes next time.